Hi everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel if you who are watching this are new here. Thanks for clicking this video. I'm Hani. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday hijab styles tutorials, but in shawl edition. Since my friends and a lot of people have asked me how I wear it like that, I thought it'd be fun for me to share it in this video. So hopefully you find it helpful. For the first style, this one is a pinless style. Firstly, make sure both are the same length and then adjust your awning before that. And make sure di kat belakang tu labuh. Then baru boleh proceed on what I'm doing right now. This is a cotton shawl by the way. Okay, if you want depan tu labuh, you have to tarik macam tu. As you can see what I'm doing right there. Then automatically depan tu akan jadi labuh. Then ikat belakang. Okay, so this is the reason kenapa tadi angkat belakang tu angkat, so that you punya ikatan kat belakang tu tak nampak, so that jadi kemasan sikit. Also, don't forget to tarik belakang tu. If you've never done that, try. Sebab for my opinion, bila tarik dia, your hijab looks more nicer, cantik I guess. Then to make it more secure, don't forget to peniti wherever you want, and you're done. Second style, I call it as the kemas style. Okay, first make sure satu panjang, satu pendek. Yang panjang tu bawa pergi ke atas and pinkan dia. These style steps sama je macam pinless style tadi, just pin ke atas tu je yang lain. Like if you don't have an inner neck or maybe you tak selesa your neck is showing, then you can use this style sebab dia memang cover your neck. And you're done. This is my most used style ever. Don't forget to peniti juga kat situ, okay? The third style, I don't know what to call this style, but this one is very simple and effortless gila. Make sure satu panjang, satu pendek, and yang panjang tu bawa pergi macam tu. And you're done. You're good to go. Adjust sikit, and yeah, just like that. That simple, right? The last style, I call this one as a chic and stylish style. I don't know what to call, but it seems like that. So, sama macam tadi, but you just need to put the longer side inside of your baju, and you're good to go. Adjust sikit, and you're done.
Babe, I fall in love too easily. I fall in love too.
That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next video soon. Bye.